The kitchen is the heart of the home. As we gather around the table to have a delicious and hearty meal, did you know that many ingredients have to blend together before you sit down and take the first bite? Grown-ups and kids, please cook safely. Always pay attention around your kitchen. Never walk away and get distracted, because that can surely be a recipe for disaster. Remind grown-ups that if you need to walk away from your cooking, be sure to turn off the stove to prevent a fire in the kitchen. Avoid wearing any loose long-sleeve shirts that can easily catch on fire and burn your skin. Use kitchen gloves or mittens for when you need to touch hot pans or any other kitchen tools that are hot. Never touch them with your bare hands. Keep wooden spoons, food wrappings, paper, hand towels, or curtains away from your stovetop, oven, and frying pans. If there's a fire, quickly get out of your house. Immediately call 911 and wait for help to arrive. Unattended cooking fires are the main cause of house fires and fire-related injuries. So let's serve up some fire safety in our kitchens today.